When it comes to business books, most people stick to the same popular titles. But what if I told you there are hidden gems that can actually change the way you think, work, and grow a business? In this video, we are sharing 10 powerful business books you must read once in your life. Number 1, The Goal by Eliyahu M. Goldratt, a story-based book on operations and bottlenecks that teaches how to optimize any business system. It's less talked about, but invaluable for understanding real-world problem-solving in companies. Number 2, The Great Game of Business by Jack Stack. This book shows how open book management empowers employees. It's about running a company like a game, teaching transparency, accountability, and ownership culture, ideas rarely taught in MBA programs. Number 3, Rework by Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen. Not a bestseller in every list, but a radical guide to starting lean, focusing on what matters, and breaking traditional business rules that waste time. Number 4, Small Giants by Bo Burlingham. Highlights companies that choose greatness over growth. It challenges the obsession with scaling and shows the value of building meaningful, profitable businesses with strong cultures. Number 5, The Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman. Instead of spending years in business school, this book condenses the most valuable business concepts into clear, practical lessons that anyone can apply. Number 6, Maverick by Ricardo Semler. The true story of a CEO who transformed his company with radical democracy and employee freedom. A hidden classic on leadership and culture. Number 7, Blue Ocean Strategy by W. Chan Kim and Renee Malborny. Not as hyped as others, but revolutionary. It teaches how to escape competition by creating entirely new markets instead of fighting in crowded ones. Number 8, The Art of the Start 2.0 by Guy Kawasaki. A straightforward guide for entrepreneurs on launching ideas, pitching, and growing. Practical, no fluff advice from a former Apple evangelist. Number 9, 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. A unique perspective on building the future by creating something entirely new. It's about monopoly thinking and innovative business models most people overlook. And number 10, Built to Sell by John Warrillow. A powerful book on creating a business that runs without you, showing how to design systems that make your company scalable and sellable. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos.